everybody. I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're Sisters in Stitches, Sisters in Real Life. And last month we had this Bless box. It was our first box. We really, really enjoyed it.
She enjoyed it. I just got to look at it.
Oh, well, the poor thing. You can open it up. So we did not cancel this box because we try and give it 2 boxes.
This is how it comes.
So this is the box that's gonna tell us yay or nay if we're gonna. You get all
Here's
kinds
your
of stuff
reading
in there.
thing.
All right.
So it comes with all this stuff in there. So this will be fun.
Bless loves to save trees. All right. Ooh, there's some nice stuff in here.
First thing in here. Ooh, shower foam. I've seen this. My friend has this stuff.
Mint and eucalyptus.
Oh, I love this stuff. Ooh. Oh.
It really does smell like mint and eucalyptus.
And it's so creamy.
Oh, don't. Oops. Oh, my ear came out and jerked away so bad.
Wow, that smells really good.
I smell it now. Wow. I've never heard of it before.
I love it.
Knipe. Retail value of $16. This is going to be fun.
That's really nice stuff.
Oh,
And
it's
it's
got
got
essential
essential oils in it. I can feel it on my hands. They're really soft already.
All right. Box number 2, shaping up. Good job, Bless Box. I like it.
Oh, I love this stuff. I might have to beg Cindy for this, but
I love Living Proof. I use their
this
shampoos.
is defrizzer, and my hair is so frizzy if I don't put something in it. Cindy's isn't frizzy.
I don't know if you guys have, I use their like overnight conditioner. Like after I wash my face, I put just a little dab of Living Proof, and it's like a dry hair, like, and you leave it in and it's not greasy or anything. Oh, open, closed, open, closed, open. Ready?
Not too much.
Oh, it sprays on.
Yeah, what did you
Try
think?
it. Spray it on your hair.
My hair isn't frizzy right now.
Oh my gosh, I can smell that. All right,
But I think you should
am
give
happy
it to
with
me because
this.
you don't have frizzy hair.
It doesn't say how much this is. But I know that Living Proof is expensive.
All right, the next thing, this is going to be expensive. Elemis.
They only have...
This is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream with an SPF of 30.
This smells so good. All right, no, it's not on our little sheet. Our little...
Anti-aging again.
Oh, and we need that.
Don't open it, because then you can take it with you.
I can take it with me. There's a pretty good smell to that. Smell that.
I like it.
Anything anti-aging,
I
I'm going
like
to try. I like this a lot. This is a really good little deal.
Ladies, we got a lipstick.
They're going green this month. Everything is green.
Oh my goodness.
No, the lipstick's not green.
No, but it is Party Pop, it's called. All right.
By what company?
Cindy can't try it on right now because she's sick, so I'll try it on.
Hola, Neon.
Holy fright.
I can try it on after you.
Wow. Hello.
All right, now because
Hello.
I can try it on because it goes home with me. So.
Hooey.
Oh my God. I'm not even going to put on as much as you.
Look at how different the color looks on both of us, though, because of our lip colors already. Look at it.
Yeah, this looks okay on me.
It looks so bright and gross on me.
Wait, let's look up. Come on, up close. All right. I don't mind it on me.
Good thing it's hers, so I'm glad I don't like it because I'd have to beg her for that.
Yeah, I like
right.
it.
The next thing is It's called Color Wow.
That's a pretty container.
What is it?
Dream
Magically
Co-
transforms texture, amazingly humidity proofing powers. What is it? Read it.
It doesn't say what it is. It just gives you 20% off
Final
your next.
award-winning humidity sealant stops hair from becoming a hot mess even in the highest humidity. See, here's what happens. I straighten my hair like this, and then as I sweat like I did today, it starts to get all curly underneath and I lose my straightness. So when I go out at night, like when we go out, like when we're on vacation, we'll be in a pub, I'll do this to my hair, I'll start dancing. By the end of the night, my hair will be straight over here, like this over here, because it starts crunching up like that curl. I have very curly hair. So that's what would keep, this would keep it from doing it. So bring that with you.
Okay, let's see. All right, I guess you just kind of spray it in and it just like seals.
Well, you put it in when it's wet.
Oh, when it's wet.
Yeah.
What a pretty container too.
Very pretty.
All right.
All right,
else?
the next thing.
That's a nice little box here. Look, I think it's a keeper.
I don't know what that is.
Fresh approach at keeping clothes makeup free. Oh, it's just like a little, you know, when you have like a white shirt on or whatever and you're getting ready before you go out. Like what they do when they're getting ready for makeup, like TV anchors. They put that stuff in their collar so you don't get the makeup on your shirt.
Okay.
So you can leave this around your shirt until you go out for the evening.
Okay, so now we're down to the little things that came with, but Cindy can't eat these. They are dark chocolate coated almonds. So she can't have it because she can't have sugar. So I guess I'll be eating those. But the next thing is, which Cindy will love all this on Sundays. This is a mineral bath salt Dream Away. You get it. It's a bath salt packet.
Baths. Oh, nice. Kind of like Epsom salts, kind of.
It says to stay in for 15 or 20 minutes to get the full effect of the minerals.
Yeah, it's probably just like Epsom salt.
Oh, revitalizing rose petal sheet mask. Cindy's
right.
These all go into Cindy's little jar, and you should see her when she opens it on Sundays. Like, ooh, what am I gonna do tonight?
I have
Wander. Here's a Wander. We just got this in our Boxy Lux. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks.
I have a bunch of those at home. I use them all the time. All the time. They are fabulous.
Ooh, this sounds fun. This is another mask. It's vanilla almond by
Menin.
La Mini Macaron.
A macaron.
Hydration Alert.
Hydration
Sensor
alert.
Mask. Another mask, and then a Unicorn Glow hologram mask. So she's got a lot of masks. She got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a thing of mineral. Wow. That's
Debbie
a
got
lot of
almonds.
masks. And I got almonds.
There you go.
So this was a nice box.
I think I'm going to keep it.
How much is this?
It is $25 a month, and then you pay $6.50 shipping. So it came to like, let's just say $36.50. So I think, first of all, I know that this stuff alone is like $25 minimum. It's not on this little sheet. This Dream Coat Supernatural Spray is $28. This is $16. So
I love that stuff.
you've already, I mean, okay, Blessed Box, you've made the voyage. We'll keep
Box
you.
number 2, thumbs up. Cindy's gonna do it again.
Absolutely.
And send more sugar in your boxes so I can get something.
And you get a 20% discount off of this hair stuff, so. All right, I'm very, very happy and I'm very blessed. This was the February box, actually.
And these aren't too bad. This is really dark chocolate. There's no sugar in this. You can try that.
That little bit of chocolate just made my whole mouth be all happy.
Yeah, but it's you guys, it's really hot, really dark chocolate. And this whole packet is only 60 calories with less than 2 grams of sugar, so she can eat that.
All right.
One more?
No.
All right.
I want too many. So I'm very blessed for this
Look at
box.
my hand from these.
We are truly blessed. We will have a March box. And if you see the little subscribe button down here, just hover over it. Click the link. You don't even have to stop the video to do it. Just click the link, subscribe, and you will then be notified of all of our future boxes. We have a lot going on. So, thanks for watching. We hope you put a smile. We put a smile on your face.
Even if we didn't, you can hit that subscribe button anyway.
On her bright lipstick.
I can't smile because I've got nuts in my teeth.
You guys, just, do you notice anything about Debbie's lips?
What?
She's got the chocolate almonds on them. Just, you know, for later. She really liked those almonds. Thank you, Breast Box.
Can you tell I was hungry? I chowed the whole package.
All right, good night.
See you later.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Ciao.
Bye.